There are many proven lead generation strategies that you can use to generate more leads for your business. A good example is discount sites, which are a great way to reach new customers with a low budget. You can increase your exposure to new potential customers by creating discount sites. Listed below are some of the best lead generation strategies. All of these techniques can help you generate more leads for your business. Read on to discover some of the most influential and cost-effective ways to get more leads. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnette will navigate you through this video. First, he will discuss the 4 best lead generation strategies that actually works in 2022. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside. What's going on, my friends? I wanted to do this video, and this video is kind of going to be a video on a scenario of how you can bring leads into your system through social media. I'm titling this is the 4 best lead generation strategies that actually work if you do correctly. So as we look over here, and let me start you off just to show you how this process works. What we're going to do is we have 4 social media. You can pick any 4, but I choose to pick these 4. Let's talk about TikTok, Instagram, and then we're talking about YouTube. Okay, now throughout my channel and also in my groups, my Facebook groups, my main squeeze page, which is a lead capture page, is Lead Skimmer. So I'm trying to show you a way to bring leads in your system through social media. And I'm gonna tell you the reason why I choose this strategy, this is a tough strategy because it requires a lot of work, and you can't be lazy when it comes to doing this. Okay, you got a TikTok site, a Pinterest site, an Instagram, and a YouTube. But what you want to do is you want to make it specific. You want to educate your people on how to bring leads to just any business. So you come to TikTok, you create a channel or a account, and your center focus will be on just lead generations. And then your call to action will be, look in the profile, I got an opt-in page. That's where Lead Skimmer comes in. And see, that's what you're trying to do. So you go to the next profile, which is Pinterest. You create a Pinterest channel, and your Pinterest channel is kind of totally focused on lead generation, just different methods of lead generation, different posts of lead generations and things of that nature. And then your profile, or within some of your pins, you could push it towards this Lead Skimmer. But let me tell you how you do Pinterest. You can't just keep pointing to one deal. What you can do, this is a powerful statement, what you can do is you can use videos right here that's related to lead generations, and then you can put those videos to pins and point it to this lead generation. You can do it that way. And then you can go to Instagram. Let's go to Instagram. And then you can put a lot of content on Instagram that's related to lead generation and point it to your squeeze page, which will be Lead Skimmer. And reason why I'm trying to show you this, you have an audience here, you have an audience here, and you have an audience here, and then you have an audience here. And then you reach into one lead capture page. And then once that personnel comes through this lead capture page, it then goes to a bridge page. And let me tell you why the bridge page is so important to keep your emails from going into the spam folder. This is the video to tell your subscribers or the people who opt into your lead capture page. You say, hey, this is the email that I would like for you to whitelist me. This is crucial. This right here is the one point that ruins people emails, because if they don't whitelist you, that email going into the spam folder. But let me tell you something. If you can convince, when it comes from this opt-in page to that bridge page, once you get them whitelisted, I don't care what kind of spammy message you send, it's gonna go in that box. This is where we're failing at right here. Opt-in, that next page needs to be that bridge page, and that bridge page explains to the subscriber or that lead, this is your next step. This is kind of like a funnel. So that's what you do. And once they agree on that, that's when your email messages start to come in. You see what I'm saying? See how that scenario goes? Then it goes into the first email message. And then you go day one, and then you go to the next one. And then you're trying to sell them on even upgrading to Lead Skimmer or a product that you have that you want to sell. And then they pay for it, and then you thank them. But I'm just showing you this to show you this is how this works. Now, the first thing you need to do, and some people got several different TikToks account and Pinterest and Instagram. You want to kind of make it niche specific. So let's just say in this TikTok account, you're talking about lead generation, but you don't want to specify to just Lead Skimmer. You want to talk about all different ways of being able to get leads, leads for this, leads for that. You want to do that because if you make it too narrow, you won't have a broad enough audience. So you want to kind of make that lead generation kind of a broad way so it can get you to that lead capture right here. The same way with Pinterest. You can come in with Pinterest and I'm gonna tell you this, and I didn't put that in there. You probably want a blog. You probably want to get a blog to post different articles there to guide you to Lead Skimmer. So not necessarily have to be Lead Skimmer. I'm a Lead Skimmer guy. It could be any lead capture page. It could be any lead capture page. You want to do that with Instagram right here. Post different things about leads. You find different stuff about leads and business opportunities and gathering with people and everything like that. And then you want to point them out to your lead capture page. I use Lead Skimmer. Use what you need to do. You're doing the same thing, and you can create several different YouTube channels within one Gmail. I think it's 20. So that's what you want to do. This strategy here is, let me make sure I'm saying this correctly. This strategy is getting people from here, people from here, people from here, and people from here. Let me tell you why I like this strategy. And the reason why you have to do it. I've done solo ads for so long, and what you do is you do solo ads and you end up getting a saturated list of people that has been sold to. If you do a call to action in these social media platforms and these people actually opt into your list, they choose to come to see what you have. That's the difference between that and a solo ad. When you do a solo ad, that could be someone else's list that they actually joined, but yet you trying to promote them, and everybody's trying to promote to them. But when you do your own support, your own findings, you have a better chance for them to work with. Just like I said, this is the route that I'm going through, and I want to see you guys go through the same thing. But this is it. Social media, get your email, get your bridge page so they can whitelist your email so you can get in their boxes. I'm telling you, this spot right here, a lot of people are not doing this. If you don't do this, all your work gonna go in vain. So I just wanted to kind of put this out here, and so you can have a scenario and just take a look at this screen. And this is a good screen for you to do. But this is how you bring leads in the lead system. So before we get out of here, let me get a like and I want to get you guys to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next training. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.